Hello there, my good dear friends. All right, here's what's going on. I am trying to use OpenShot Video Editor, which is a very awesome, I've found very awesome, useful video editor in order to edit a file. Now, what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to edit this file right here. Now this file, if I click on Properties, you'll see that it is a MTS file. What is an MTS file? Well, I don't know what it stands for, I have to admit. But it came from my Sony camcorder, right? And so I'm like, hey, it's Sony, you know, everybody uses Sony. Sony's awesome. Well, when I try to import this into Video Editor, OpenShot Video Editor, it doesn't like MTS files for some reason. I mean, it'll go in there, the file, if I drag it down the timeline, I try to play it, it just doesn't, it can't read the file because it just doesn't understand this format, right? It's an MTS file. It's not an MP4, which is what, or an MP3 or MP4. That's what I, or MOV or any of those. So you can see the program just doesn't like it, and I can't edit it. You can see it's getting hung up now. My cursor's just changed to a hourglass. I can't minimize it, but if I bring it up, it's not working. So you go up to the X, you hit X, and you'll get this screen here. It says OpenShot Video Editor is not responding. So yeah, you could wait for it to respond, but I'm going to tell you it just doesn't. It takes forever, and it never does actually respond because it can't understand this format. So you hit close the program, and then it reports the problem to Microsoft, right? So open OpenShot Video Editor again, and what it unfortunately will try to do is sometimes it'll try to restore your last project. Fortunately, it didn't do that this time. But what will happen is, so you get in this perpetual loop where it will try to keep opening this file it can't read. But I still want to use this file, right? So what do? Well, I have to convert the file from the MTS format into a usable format for OpenShot. And I know OpenShot likes MP4s, so I need a different program to convert this file. So I happen to have already downloaded on my computer VLC media player. So I'm going to pull up VLC media player, right? And then what you can do is you go to media and go all the way down here. You see where it says convert/save? Hit that. You'll get a dialog box like that. What it wants is actually, you know what, I'm going to cancel that, minimize this. I want to be able to drag and drop. So now I'm going to go to media, convert/save, and then I'm going to pull my MTS file over here, drop it in there, right? And then what I'm going to do is hit convert save. There's a drop down menu here. Hit convert. Now it's going to ask me what the source file is. That's it. And it's going to ask me the profile. So you hit this drop down menu, go to profile. See where it says MP4? Hit MP4. And now you have to pick a destination file. So go to browse. I want it to go to my desktop. So I'm going to hit save on desktop. I'm sorry, I'm going to highlight the desktop, and then I'm going to name the file. So I'm just going to name this file like, I don't know, XP or something like that. And then hit save. And then hit start. Now, what will happen is, see this status bar at the bottom here? As that goes, that's converting, that's showing you the progress of the conversion to the file. Okay, so obviously this is going to take a couple seconds, minutes, whatever. But once this file is converted, See here it says XXP. I can click on this now, even though it's not fully converted. Hit properties, and it says type of file, MP4 file, right? Source file was a MTS file, right? So that's going to be a usable file that I'm going to be able to drag and drop into OpenShot Video Editor, and then I'm going to be able to edit the file. So this took me forever to figure out, so I hope this helps somebody else out there. It's racking their brain about how to try to like use a Sony camcorder file in OpenShot Video Editor. If this helps you, put it in the comments below. Let me know, because I was befuddled for a while, I have to admit. So also, if it helps you, please smash the like button, because that helps me a lot, because I'm trying to like make YouTube my primary source of income. So if you can help me out that way, that would be super awesome. Subscriptions are always welcome. And I hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer them. Thanks for your time. Take care.